हाँ, suppose we want to convert it into binary to octal number. We have divided the number into group of three: 101, 100, and 11. So this number was with 2 digits. Then we will do zero. We will write here paired it with zero because there are only two numbers in this group. And now I have already taught you. Now I have already taught you how to represent the. That means for zero we are writing triple zero. For octal number 1, we are writing 001. For octal number 2, we are writing 010. For octal number 3, we are writing representing it with 011, 100, 101, 110, 11. Now I am saying that in our first group, see, this was our number 011, 100, 101. So 011, 100, 101. So this I am saying 011. So 011 will be represented by
3.
3. So I have written here 3. Now our next was 100. That means 100 will be represented by 4.
4.
So I have written here 4. Now next number was 101. 101 will be represented by 5.
5.
So I have written here 5. So our octal number is 345. So I have converted this binary number into octal number. This is 345. Okay? Any doubt is there? If
Yes,
you
sir.
have any doubt, I will explain it again.
Sir,
Hello?
could you please explain the last part again?
This one, this part.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm saying
Yes,
that
sir.
I have already written here 011. So I have written here 011. In group of three, we have converted this binary number into group of three. That is 101, 100, and here last remaining 11. So I have to convert this also in group of three. So I have written here 011. Any doubt is there?
No, sir.
Now I am saying this same number I have written here 011, 100, and 101. Now I am representing for 011 by which octal number we will represent. 011 is there. By which octal number we will represent? We will represent it by 011. This 011. That means in our question there was 011. I have already given you this table, or you can make your own. Suppose there are 0 for by which binary number it will represent 00. For 1 it will represent 001. For 2 it will represent by 010. For 3 it will represent 011. You get that means by 3 number we are representing this octal number by all these number. In octal number we are using 0 to 7. Now I have this table now, and I got this number. When we converted this binary number into this number, I written over here. And now I'm saying that 011 will be represented by which number? Hello?
3, sir. 3, sir.
3. So I've written here 3. Now next 100 will be represented by which number?
4.
4. So I've written here 4. And
4, sir.
101 will be represented by which number?
5.
5.
5. So I've written here 5. That is 345. Octal number. This binary number is converted into octal number. Or you can write other way also. Suppose you don't know, suppose you want other way to write. I can teach you other way also. Suppose this is 101. 011 is there. And suppose you want to convert it into octal number. We have made group of 3. No need of this table. I'm saying this is group of number. Now I want to convert this binary number into octal number. I have created its groups. In group of 3 numbers, I have created this group. After creating this group, I want to represent this number. Suppose we was converting binary number to any other form, what we were doing? 1 into 2 raised to 0, that is 1. 1 into 2 raised to 1, that is 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is represented by 3. You got it or not? I'm saying that 1, this is 1. 1 into 2 raised to 0. It is in 0th place. Now, if I will talk about this group, this 1 is in 0th place. So 1 into 2 raised to 0, This is in zeroth place. So I will say 1 into 2 raised to 0. That is 1. 1
1.
into 2 raised to 0, 1. 1 into 2 raised to 1. It is in 1th place. 1 into 2 raised to 1. What will be the number?
2.
2. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay. Now next case. This is in 0 place. This is in 1 place. This is in 2nd place. So 0, we will divide any number by 0. It will be 0. We will divide any number by 0. It will be 0. Next one is it is in 0, 1 and 2nd place. So 1 into 2 raised to 2. It is in 2nd place. So 1 into 2 raised to 2. What will be the number? 1 into 2 raised to 2. Hello.
4. 4.
4, sir.
So I have
4.
represented it by 4. In the similar case, this 1 into 2 raised to 0. What will be the output?
1.
1. 0 into 2 raised to 1.
0.
0. 1 into 2 raised to 2.
0, sir.
1 into 2 raised to 2.
4.
4. So 4 plus and 1 I got, in this case I got 1. 1 into 2 raised to 0, 1. And 1 into 2 raised to 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So it is 5. 3, 4, 5. You got it? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You are able to understand or not? Either you can use this table, or if you don't want to use this table, you can create your own. Okay? Hello?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
shall I move to another topic? Means binary to hexadecimal? Hello? In this case, suppose this is
Yeah.
our binary number. Suppose this is our binary number. We want to convert it into hexadecimal number. Now, before we have converted into octal number. Now I want to convert this binary number to hexadecimal number. In which number? Hexadecimal number. So I will write here, I will convert this into form of, into group of 4. That means 0, 1, 0, 1, 1 group. And rest will be 1, 2, 3, 4 digit are remaining here. So rest 4 digit will be in another group. So in which group I means in octal case we was creating group of 3. In hexadecimal case we are creating group of 4 numbers. That means one group is 0, 1, 0, 1 and another group is this 1, 1, 1, 0. So this 2 group I have created of 4 number. Now what we have to do? Table is also there. If you don't want to use table, see for 0, 4, 0 by we will represent by 4, 0, 1 we will represent by 1, for 2 we will represent by 0, 0, 10. That means 0, 0, 1 के बाद क्या आता है in binary number? बाइनरी नंबर में 0, 0, 1 के बाद क्या आता है? हेलो?
0, 1, 0.
हाँ 0, 0, 1, 0. और अगर इसके बाद क्या आता है 10 के बाद? 11.
11.
अगर 11 मतलब 0 और 1 ही का यूज करना है तो 11 के बाद क्या आता है? 100.
100.
100 के बाद क्या आता है? 101, 110, 111. ऐसे ही रिप्रेजेंट किया है सबको. समझ में आया ना? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर 10 को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं A से. तो A, B, C, D, E है. So now I am saying this binary number I have to convert it into hexadecimal number. So we will make the group of 4 number 0, 1, 0, 1 and next will be 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. We have converted this number into 4 digit. So first 4 digit is right side. First 4 digit are this one and second 4 digit are this one. So first 4 digit is 0, 1, 0, 1 and next 4 digit is 1110, 1110. Now I am saying this, I have written here. Now I want to convert the digit into hexadecimal form. This is our binary digit. We have converted it into group of 4. Now I want to convert this number into hexadecimal form. In case of hexadecimal form, what we will do? This is our binary number. So 0 into 2 raised to 0, 0. 1 into 2 raised to 1, 2. 2 होगा ना इसका 1 into 2 raised to 1. पढ़ रहे हो तुम लोगों को आ रहा है कुछ? हेलो हेलो
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो 1 into 2 raised to 1 कितना होगा? हेलो
2.
2.
2 sir.
1 into 2 raised to 2 कितना होगा?
4.
4. 1 into 2 raised to 3 कितना होगा?
6.
है
8. 8.
8.
8 8
तो 8 plus 4 12 हो गया और 12 यहाँ पे 2 आया था 12 plus 2 14 हो गया. कितना हो गया? 14. और 14 को किससे रिप्रेजेंट करते थे हेक्साडेसिमल में?
E sir.
ई से. 10 को ए से, 11 को बी से, 12 को 10 11 12 13 14. तो ए बी सी डी ई. तो ई से. और 0101 को भी कन्वर्ट कर लो. ये 1 into 2 raised to 0 कितना होगा? 1. 0 तो 0 ही होगा. 1 into 2 raised to 2 कितना होगा? 4. तो 4 इस केस में आया था 1. 4 plus 1 5. तो E5 तुम्हारा हेक्साडेसिमल हो गया. Okay, now I'm going to take another lecture just after this because time is over actually here. So you can join again. Okay, again join the lecture. I'm going to stop this lecture.
Okay, sir.
Again join now itself. Okay, after some time.